Thank you for checking out our property here at 1105 Southeast Bush Street, number B. To find this property, you can go from Powell, take 112 south and west on Bush Street. This property here features 2 full baths, 1 downstairs, as you can see right here, for your guests to use. 2 bedrooms, laminate floor on the bottom, pretty good amount of storage. It also has a 1-car garage with washer and dryer hookups out there, so you can bring your own washing machine and dryer to use. Kitchen here has plenty of cabinet space with a nice window looking out into the living room / dining room. Gives you a little bit of extra light and makes it feel a little bit more open. And here we have the living room right here. This property is heated with electric wall heaters with individual thermostats, so you can keep the different areas temperatures at different levels. As I said, the downstairs is laminate flooring, and then as we go upstairs, you can see that it transitions over to carpet, makes it for a more comfy feel upstairs. The 2 bedrooms are situated on either end of the property, so you have more privacy from each other. That way you can play your music or listen to your TV without disturbing your roommates. And here is the other full bathroom. Got the glass door for easy cleaning and also to make sure that the water doesn't get out. And here's your other bedroom. Out back is a fully fenced-in yard with a nice little patio that you can have a barbecue on. It also has a gate going out to the front so you can bring stuff in. If you'd like to tour this property, please call us at 503-489-7241. Thank you again for looking at a property by Sleep Sound Property Management.